Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video, I want to talk about an update that happened to the Samsung Galaxy S8, the S8 Plus, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which brought over the brand new Super Slow-Mo, as well as the AR emoji into the camera. Now, if you are brand new here at the channel of jimmyispromo and you own a Samsung Galaxy device, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications so you get notified for future videos. And don't forget about that playlist tab on the very top to check out videos I've made so far for the S8, the S8 Plus, the Galaxy Note 8, S9, S9 Plus, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So when the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 came out, Samsung included two new shooting modes inside of the camera. One of them was called Super Slow Motion, which was 4 times slower than the regular Slow-Mo, as well as AR emoji. But with the latest update for the S8, S8 Plus, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, you can see that this Note 8 right over here was updated to include the Super Slow-Mo. And if I was to go back one screen, you can see that AR emoji is right here. So you're able to create your own little AR emoji. So I haven't even played with this yet because I wanted to show you that there is a couple different start menus that you'll actually go inside of, and also the My Emoji Maker. Now, if you go over here to the Samsung Galaxy S8, if you look over here with all the different shooting modes, you can see that Super Slow-Mo is not there just yet. This is what your phone will look like before the update. Now also you can see over here that there's only 2 options on the very bottom. You have your Bixby Vision as well as stickers. Now if we move back right over here, you can see that there is 3 options, and one more time I will show you Super Slow-Mo is actually right over here. With the My Emoji Maker downloaded, you are able to open up AR emoji as well as creating My Emoji. So now let's go inside of here and let's get it going. Now to get this started, you want to open up the AR emoji, click on Create My Emoji. You're going to place your face right inside of the circle, and you're going to take your picture. One tip I do want to mention is that when you are creating your AR emoji, you do not want to smile, because what will happen is your smile and everything else will be added in as you move your lips and face. So you want to choose between your male or female. So I'm going to choose male, hit on next, and then it'll start creating the My Emoji. Once complete, you're able to go through here and you'd be able to have this one right over here, which is a little bit more of a cartoonish version of you. And then this is a little bit more of the realistic version of you. And you can see a little bit of the facial hair. So this is where you'd be able to go through there. You can change your skin tone pretty much wherever you need it to go. And then you'd also be able to go through here. You can change your hairstyle. So however you want it to look, you are able to go through it. So just kind of, I don't know which one to choose. Let's move with this one right over here. So let's just say that my hair looked like that. You are able to add in some glasses if you want to. You can head over and change whatever outfit you would also like to wear, but you do want to make sure you go to the very top right over here, this little baby circle. This is where you can actually change your character again if you needed to. You can also change your face, you can change your skin tone, you can change your cheeks, you can change your chin on how much of a chin that you have, and then also a little bit more of your neck. So probably my favorite thing to do with the AR emoji is going to be changing your eyes. You can change pretty much the eye shape if it's either up or down a little bit on the inside. You can also change the shape of it on the outside, and as well as your eye color. So whatever your eye color is, you are able to get as detailed as that. You can also change your lips, your ears, nose, glasses, and as well as your clothes. And when you are finished, you'd be able to hit on save, and now it's going to save. And you can also add in all these different stickers that you're able to send in text messages and everything else. Now that we're finished with AR emoji, now we're going to talk about Super Slow-Mo. But when it comes over to the Super Slow-Mo on the Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, as well as the Galaxy Note 8, is that you do have a little bit of limitations. So when you go inside of Super Slow-Mo and you try to capture something in super slow motion, you do have to hit on that record button, and it does it automatically for you. You don't really choose, if you want it to be auto, you don't choose if you want it to be manual like the Galaxy Note 9. This one just does it right away and instantly. So what I mean by that is once you hit on the record button, you want to capture something pretty much right away. And when you do go through there and you replay your video back, you will notice that in the very beginning, it's going to be regular speed, and then it goes slow, and then it goes regular speed again. And so the moment you want to capture something in super slow-mo, that is when you want to hit on that record button. But one of the nice things they did include is that if you do swipe up, you do have the option to pretty much loop your video. So this right here is going to be forward. This one is going to be reverse, and then this one is going to be a swing. So it does have a couple different options there of going reverse and forward and everything else, which is pretty nice, but you are going to be a little bit more limited when it comes over to these older devices versus the S9, S9 Plus, and the Galaxy Note 9. So if you do own the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, as well as the Galaxy Note 8, make sure you guys go through your settings, make sure everything is up to date. You might see a September patch, maybe even a October patch, depending on when the last time you updated your phone. So this way you do have the option for the Super Slow-Mo, and you also have the option of your AR emoji. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here. This little red circle on the very bottom left-hand side, you can subscribe that way. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites, and I'll see you guys later.